This is Hiltunen from Seagulls. We are releasing new platform, Patreon, this Sunday. Come on, let's take a peek.
Come on, love me for the money. Come on, listen to the money talk.
Woo-hoo-hoo! And this is the view you normally see, yeah. Nobody, there's nobody, no, but...
Then you get the whole neck thing up, all the way up to the shoulders.
Straight from Seagulls Catering. Today we are going to make some fish tacos with you. So, come and join us, our Patreon page, Steven Seagulls. You will get to see like what is behind the scenes and reviews of the videos, the latest videos. Oh, and of course, my own cooking recipes. Now you can cook like Hiltunen. Arr, arr, arr. Hey, take care.